Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Friday. Well, today as you can see we're going to be starting this cat and flowers in blue and white, and I'm going to be starting right up over here. The color that I'm using is 820, and I think I'm starting with this flower right in there. So, how is everybody doing? I hope you're all getting ready for a good weekend. Oh my goodness, yeah. Yesterday, oh my goodness. Well, we went out to dinner. It was lovely. Went to this local restaurant here in town. It's kind of a, it's not a, I want to say, it's not a bar. I mean, it's a full-on restaurant and everything, but it's down by the river, not that close. I mean, like you could see it or anything, but yeah, just real nice atmosphere. They have tables inside, they have tables outside. So yeah, we had a lovely meal there, and they have a little dog, so we took the dog to the dog park, and we were just about done in because we ate way too much food. But it was delicious. So I think we'll be having that today for lunch because we both had stuff left over. Yeah. But it was delicious. Now, today we're going, I don't know that we'll have it for lunch. Maybe late dinner tonight, because we have an appointment at the hot tub today, and we'll go to see all the thrift stores, you know, between where the hot tub is and, you know, here. We'll also go to that restore and stuff. So, yeah, it'll be another action-packed day. Yeah. Oh, man. I needed a nap last night, man. I laid down for an hour and just, like, died for an hour. I couldn't move. I couldn't do anything. It just all caught up to me, so I had a quick nap and I was up and running again. Sure is a pretty color. It's not as dark as, what is it, 823? This is 820, so it's a little bit lighter. You can actually tell it's blue. On the 939, you can't tell that it's blue. It looks black 90% of the time, so this ought to be pretty. And I didn't go through the colors to make sure they were all there. I just stitched. So yeah, it happens. It happens. I'll have to get it all on a ring, but I like the size of this. It's not too big. It looks, I think it's a 50 by 50. I don't have my paper right here right now. But yeah, I'm glad it's not too big, but it is confetti. I had kind of a hard time deciding where I was gonna start. So yeah. And then tomorrow we're supposed to go with my daughter and my granddaughter up to, well, it's, I can't think of what it's called. Almost said Trail Ridge. That is so wrong. Independence Path. Up that way to look at the aspens. It started to get a little cloudy, but it never rained or anything yesterday, so we'll see what happens. Oh, goodness gracious. But it'll feel really good to get into that hot tub and just absolutely soak my aching bones. But it, you know, hasn't been freezing. It's been far from it. It was in the mid to high 70s yesterday, so the weather was quite lovely. Then it just kind of clouded up, but not dark clouds or anything like that. Never did nothing. If it did in the evening, I have no idea. Didn't even pay attention. They're having some rain down there in Florida. My goodness gracious. I hope Jill and her friend are okay there at Florida. I didn't see where it was going to make landfall and all that, but I hope everybody's safe and dry and warm someplace until the storm passes. So we'll see. Hopefully the weather will hold, you know, through the weekend. It was supposed to be nice like every day this weekend. No chance of rain. You know how that goes. No chance of rain and no rain for 2 days. That's how life goes around here. So we'll have to see. Thank you all for your birthday wishes. I sure do appreciate it. Get that out of the way and put that needle away. Looks really good on that canvas there. With all them colors surrounding it, you can really see that color. It's nice. Let me see if I can get that started there. What did I stitch on? I stitched on for something for a little bit, but not too long. I think it was that Mediterranean one. I just finished up the thread that was there. So, not much stitching done. Might not get a whole bunch done this week. And that's okay. Every once in a while, you just gotta kind of take a break and relax. I got everything blue. You got the blue thread. The cat is blue and white. And then I got my little Mickey Mouse, Minnie and Mickey Mouse here. And my clips are blue. And my scissors are blue and white. We're just all matching today. That doesn't happen very often. Oh, come on. Be nice. This wasn't going to be a very long stitch with me because I got things to do today. We're like book solid, you know. That doesn't happen for us. Not here. It's usually nice and quiet. And we go here and we go there and then we come home and that's the end of that for a while. So. But I wanted to start this. Like I said, it's going to take a hot moment. You can see all that confetti that's in there. So we'll just kind of start with one color and work our way around here and go from there. We are almost there. Feels kind of weird working on an 11 count. I went from, what was that, 9 count to 11 count to 14 count. I'm getting a little confused here. Oh, and then between all that, I did silk. Yeah, it's on 11 count. All right, guys. You can see how lovely that is going to be. And it just kind of runs in rivers. It's on this one. I'm not saying for everything else, because, yeah. Every time I look left, right, or in the middle, yeah, it's all different. Get that down. So, whoop, now it covers it up. Oh my goodness. Stay. There we go. Alright guys, thank you for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.